In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change edit access and permissions in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can view, comment on, or edit your spreadsheet, how to transfer ownership when needed, and how to manage link sharing so your data stays secure. First, open Google Sheets and the specific spreadsheet you want to manage. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts for work and personal projects. The permissions you can set depend on the account that owns the file, so being in the right one matters. Next, look to the top right corner of the sheet and click the Share button. This opens the Sharing Settings panel where all permission changes happen. If you don't see the button, you might be viewing a file you don't have permission to modify, so double check that you're in a file you own or can manage. In the People with Access section, you'll see the individuals and groups who currently have access. To change someone's access, click the drop-down next to their name. This is where you assign their role. Choose Viewer if you want them to only see the content. Choose Commenter if they need to leave feedback without changing cells. Choose Editor if they need full editing rights. Keep in mind that editors can change content, and depending on the settings, they may also share the file with others, so grant this carefully. If the file needs a new owner, use Transfer Ownership from that same drop-down. Ownership transfer typically gives the other person full control and may limit your own ability to remove them later, so only do this when you're sure. If someone no longer needs access, select Row, remove access to clean up the list. Below that, you'll find General Access. This controls whether the file is restricted or available to anyone with the link. Restricted means only the people explicitly listed can open it. Anyone with the link makes the file accessible to anyone who has the URL, which is convenient for broad distribution but less secure. If you choose anyone with the link, make sure to set the role there as viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what's appropriate, and share the link only with trusted recipients. That's it. Review your choices, confirm the roles look right, and you're done. With these settings, you can keep your data safe while giving teammates exactly the access they need.